here we are. We're on board with Andy Catterson. We're playing a wee field here up at Castlegore, outside Castlederg, back at Tyrone, Northern Ireland. Andy, we're on board a 135 Massey. What year is this wee tractor?
This wee Massey is 1969.
1969.
She's fitted with a Super Duncan cab with a Castlederg tractor, something like a 230 or 240. What we've got is this tractor here seems to fit not bad. Just purchased that wire track.
Well, it's evidently you restored this wee tractor at very, very high standard, and that was all rewarded for you on Full Valley Show, where I believe you got first place in your class for vintage tractors, is that right?
First class 2018 or vintage tractors.
And you also had the honour of meeting the lovely Miss Kirsten Ward, who awarded you your well-deserved prize.
Yeah, she gave me a 50 euro.
Did you get a kiss?
Oh, don't kiss stuff. I think we planned for morning.
You might get the kiss when you get wee plough fully restored. Tell us a wee bit about the plough.
The plough is a Massey Ferguson 41. She's been manufactured in France. She's a French plough. I know she's a 41. I think actually she's a 40.
Yes.
I don't know why the changes was that they had to change the numbers on them.
I apologise for all our viewers here. I leave a company inside this cab, but definitely it's comfortable. We'll just stop right here and look it out. So we take a wee bit of look at the proud owner and the lovely tractor and plough itself. Here's Andy himself. Definitely, Andy, she's a credit to you and your son Zach.
Thank you.
And you're making a good job ploughing this great arable field here. Thanks to Gary Sproule for giving us permission to film in here and for Andy to plough. Andy, it's been great chatting to you.
That's alright, thank you, sir.
Cheers, good luck, sir.